Namaste. Let's to start your daily routine of the breathing exercise. This pranayam, what I am going to explain you, that make helps to clean your whole entire system of the body. This pranayam is name is well known in the word as a Kapalabhati. Kapal means skull, this area. Bhati means brightness. Through by this breathing exercise, you can clean your whole entire system of the body. You can clean each organs of your body. When your organs get cleaner, you get more healthier. And this effect of the pranayama in your brain system. So let's to start this breathing exercise, Kapalabhati pranayam. Three types of this Kapalabhati pranayam. First type of the Kapalabhati pranayam, Bhatkram Kapalabhati. In this Bhatkram Kapalabhati, there is a three types you have to follow. So first technique of the Kapalabhati pranayam, in 1 minute 60 times you have to do. Each second you have to count 1 second, 2 second mentally. Like that, you have to make the Jnana gesture like this with the hand position, finger position. Stretch your arms, focus the point of navel region, rhythmic exhalation. When you reach on 60 number, last exhalation should go longer than other exhalation. And store your prana here on your Ajna chakra, on your Obi chakra, master chakra. And release this gesture which you make in your hand, in your finger. Instead of this Jnana gesture, you have to make like that way. When you will put the finger like that, you can store here prana, you can hold here prana, and few seconds without breath. After the few days practice, 1 week practice, your prana will be stored here and you can nourish your heart system and you can live easily well longer time without breath. Don't stop the breath. It should be automatically started to happen by the practice, and you can meditate on your third eye center. In this way, 1 minute this Kapalabhati pranayam, gapping, then again. Gapping means at least 5-second gapping or 10-second gapping, according your body and breath capacity. If you need longer gapping, you can do maintain by self. And then you can again repeat and roll the fingers. To give the strength in the stomach area for the Kapalabhati, you must make the hand finger position like that. This is the Agni, this is the fire finger, and this is the Vayu Tattva finger, the air element finger. So when you bring the finger like that position, you can burn the fire very forcefully way. Like when high wind is blowing, the fire is going more high. So same way, when you are making this finger position, you can throw this fire upper side, this area in the lungs, in the throat, and your skull area. In this way, you can clean up whole entire system of the body. So gapping, then again. Exhale longer and release this finger and make this Jnana gesture. Second time when you will stop this practice, you have to focus on your third eye center and meditate. Try to meditate or try to concentrate on your third eye area, on your master chakra. In this way, when you are doing every day this pranayam, a time and duration for this pranayam, at least 2 minutes, 3 minutes every day. But empty stomach give you a lots of benefit. If your stomach is heavy, you have difficulties to move your belly, stomach region. So this pranayam make you stronger, your lungs get stronger, If you have too much mucus is forming in the chest region, you're free from the mucus. If you have too much nostril is blocked, you can open your nostril, supported by the some Shadbindu Talam. This is Ayurvedic oil. You drop in the nostril, and then you have to open your nose, and then you can start this practice. This make the millions of benefit. Mind get very cleaner, very calm, very sharp, and very concentrated. And mind, you have a sleep problem, you will, if you have a insomnia problem, anxiety, you are slowly you're getting free from this kind of the health issues. So from here, I'm going to end this pranayam and going to start in the next my series of pranayama, next variation of Kapalabhati pranayama. Har Har Mahadev.